What's up guys, I'm Twitch with Save One More Life. Today we're going to be demonstrating how we can render aid to ourselves or someone else if they're trapped under a vehicle. So we're going to start off by placing my own leg under the car. Make sure it's safe if you try this on your own. The emergency brake is on, vehicle's off, there's nobody in the driver's seat. We're good to go. We're even on a downward incline for my own benefit. So throw myself up under here, and again, I'm going to do my best to not actually move my own leg that would realistically be trapped. Okay, so once I'm in this position, I need to get my tourniquet out, and you better have it on you because you're not getting back in the car to get it, right? Even if this was your vehicle. So we're going to get our tourniquet out. Now, something a lot of us don't think about is not only do you have to remove items from your pockets to be able to get that tourniquet high and tight, we always think about the front pocket. We don't usually think about the back pocket. You have to move those items so they don't shift around after tourniquet application and cause the tourniquet to lose its tension. So in my back pocket right now, I have a wad of gloves that are a consideration, so make sure you practice removing those items. Throw them to the side, get your tourniquet out. Again, I cannot loop this around my foot, so I have to get it into our restaging position of the straight line and come under my own leg. It doesn't really matter which direction you achieve this from. I recommend finding one that works for you, but make sure the tourniquet does not twist as you go under. Once you do this, we're going to be pulling this as tight as we can get. Bring it as far around as we can get, and make sure you tuck that strap as much as possible. From there, you're going to take that windlass and twist as tight as you can get it. Remember, I want you to hear me in your head. Tighter than you think it should be, because if you don't, you will die. Lock that windlass in, make sure that strap is still secured, and pull your time tab across. And now we've bought ourselves some time. Hopefully your phone is on you, or hopefully somebody's already trying to help you get that higher level of care. Make sure you do not remove this tourniquet. It is literally life and death. To fight back against death and help save lives and get training, go to saveonemore.life.